students, welcome to this online video lecture on fluid mechanics. So in the previous video we have derived the Darcy-Weisbach equation and Chezy equation, which are used to determine the loss of head in the pipes. So that is major losses. And these major losses are due to the friction in the pipes. So today in this video we are going to solve some of the numericals on major losses in the pipe. So let us begin with the first numerical. And the problem statement is: find the loss of head due to the friction in a pipe of diameter 300 mm and length 50 mm through which the water is flowing at a velocity of 3 meter per second using Darcy and Weisbach equation formula. So I need to identify this friction loss by using Darcy and Chezy equation. Take C equals to 60 and mu, that is kinematic viscosity, that is 0.01 Stokes. Kinematic viscosity is 0.01 Stokes. Now let us note down the given data. Now the given data is diameter of a pipe D is equals to 300 mm. So that is nothing but 0.3 meter. Okay, and length of pipe is given, that is 50 meter, and the Chezy constant is given, that is C, that is 60. Okay, next the kinematic viscosity is given, mu, that is 0.01 Stokes. So if I convert that into meter square per second, so then it will be 0 Stokes. So then it will be 0.01 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter square per second. Okay. Now I need to calculate the loss of head due to the friction by using both Darcy and Chezy equation. Now we have the Darcy equation. We know that the loss of head due to the friction by Chezy equation, we have a formula, that is 4 FL V square divided by D into 2G. Now in this one, L is a length of a pipe, V is a velocity, and D is a diameter of a pipe, G is a constant, and HF is a loss of head due to the friction. Now the unknown term in this one is F, okay, that is coefficient of friction. Okay, now this coefficient of friction is a function of Reynolds number Re. Okay, this is a function of Reynolds number Re. Now Re is calculated, that is Re equals to V into D divided by mu. Okay, so now I have the velocity which is already given, that is 3, diameter is 0.3 meter divided by kinematic viscosity, that is 0.01 into 10 raised to minus 1. So now Re will be equals to, that is Reynolds number will be equals to 9 into 10 raised to 5. Now for this value we have a friction, that is we can identify by using this Re. I have to identify friction factor, we have an equation, that is 0.079 divided by Re raised to 1 by 4. We have an equation to identify friction loss, F. Now let us substitute this Re value. Okay, now F will be equals to 0.079 divided by 9 into 10 raised to 5 raised to 1 by 4. Now the F value will be, that is coefficient of friction will be 0.0256. Now we have identified the coefficient of friction. Now let us substitute all the values in this HF equation, that is head loss due to the friction. Okay, I will just write it here. Now F will be 0.0256. Now let us substitute all the values. Now HF will be equals to 4 into 0.0256 into length is 50 meter, velocity is 3 meter square, divided by diameter is 0.3 into 2 into 9.81. Now if you simplify this one, now the head loss due to the friction by using Chezy equation, you will get it around 0.7828 meter. Now this is a loss of head due to the friction by using Chezy formula. Now let us solve the same equation by using Darcy formula, Darcy equation. Okay, now let us solve the same numerical by using Chezy equation. Now we have a Chezy formula, we have that is V equals to C root of m into I, where C is a Chezy constant, V is a velocity, and m is nothing but d by 4, which is already known. Now let us calculate these values, that is m is equals to d by 4. Now diameter is given, that is 0.3 divided by 4. Now d value will be around, m value will be around 0.075, and I value, that is very important. Now I value is calculated, that is we have to calculate I value, we have a HF divided by L. Okay, but I don't know what is the value of HF. Okay, now this HF is calculated. Before that, now let us calculate the same loss of head due to friction by Chezy formula. Now we know that the Chezy formula is given by V is equals to, that is C into root m into I. Okay, m into I, where m is given by d by 4 and I is nothing but HF divided by L. Now this is a velocity equation. By using this complete equation, I will get I value. Then by substituting that in this equation, we will get a HF value. Now let us substitute the all known term in this one. We have velocity, that is it is given by 3, then constant C is 60, then root of m is given, that is d by 4, d is 0.3 divided by 4 into I. If I take I outside, then I will get I will be equals to, that is 0.0333. Now if I substitute this I in this equation, that is I will be equals to 0.033 will be equals to HF divided by length is 50. Length is 50. If you cross multiply, you will get HF, that is HF will be equals to 1.665 meter. Okay. Now this is a head loss due to the friction by using Chezy formula. Now this is by using Chezy's equation, and similarly the HF we got using the Darcy equation is 28 meters. So this is by Darcy equation. Okay, and this question is asked for 6 marks. The next numerical is, find the diameter of a pipe of length 2000 meter when the rate of flow of a water through the pipe is 200 liter per second and the head loss due to the friction is 4 meter. Take C is equals to 50. Now since the C value is given, that is Chezy constant is given, so this problem or this numerical need to be solved using Chezy equation. Now before that, let us note down the unknown given terms, that is length is given, that is 2000 meter. Then next loss of head is given, HF is given, that is 4 meter. Then C value is given, that is 50, and Q is given, that is 2000 liter per second. If I convert that into meter cube per second, I need to divide this 2000 divided by 1000. So then it will be around 0.2 meter cube per second. Okay. Now we have the Chezy equation, that is velocity v into c into equal m into I. V equals to c into root of mi. Now, but I don't know what is the velocity in this one, but I have a q, that is q is then, so velocity will be given by discharge divided by area, that is q by a. Now let us substitute this q, but here the area I cannot calculate because the d need to be calculated. D is unknown term. Now area will be equals to pi by 4 into d square. Now v will be equals to 0.2 into 4 pi into d square. Okay. Now similarly, we have m, that is m will be equals to d by 4. This is also unknown term for me. Okay. Now the another one in this is I. Then I is equals to hf divided by L. So in this I value, I have both hf is given as well as length is given. Therefore I will be equals to 4 divided by 2000. Then I value becomes 0.02. Okay, 0.02. Now let us substitute these value in the Chezy equation. Okay, that is v will be equals to 0.2 into 4 divided by pi into d square will be equals to 50 root of m is d by 4 into I value is 0.002. Okay, 0.002. Now let's take this 50 here. So 0.2 into 4 divided by 50 into pi into d square will be equals to root of d by 4 into 0.002. Okay, 0.002. Now if I simplify this whole term, only d is an unknown term, remaining will be equals to around 0.00509 divided by d square will be equals to root of d by 4 into 0.002. Okay, if I okay, this is a left out now. Now squaring on both the side. Now squaring on both side. I'll just erase these terms. Okay. Now squaring on this both side, that is 0.00509 divided by d square will be equals to, then squaring means this square root will be cancelled, d by 4 into 0.002. Now this equation becomes, okay, so d square d raised to 4. I'll just take it outside. So then it will be, if I simplify, then d raised to 5 will be equals to 4 into 0.0000259, that is a square of this one, divided by 0.002. Now that will be root of fifth root of this term, 4 into 0.000259 divided by 0.002. Then your d will be, around 0.553 meter. Now this is a diameter of a pipe. The next numerical is, the water is flowing through a pipe of diameter 200 mm with a velocity of 3 meter per second. Find the head lost by the friction for the length of 5 meter if the coefficient of friction is given by F is equals to 0.002 plus 0.09 divided by Re raised to 0.3, where Re is a Reynolds number. Take kinematic viscosity as 0.01 Stokes. Now this is a numerical which need to be solved by using a Chezy equation. Darcy equation. because here there is no Chezy constant is given, so you need to solve this equation by using Darcy equation. Now let us note down the given things. That is, diameter is given, that is 0.0, that is 200 mm. So then if I convert that into meter, it will be 0.2 meters. Then the velocity is given, that is 3 meter per second. Then the length is given, that is 5 meter. Then kinematic viscosity is given, that is 0.01 Stokes. Okay, then if I convert that into meter per second, so then it will be 0.01 into 10 raised to minus 4 meter square per second. Now one more very important, that is F, that is coefficient of friction. It is given in the equation form, that is 0.002 plus 0.09 divided by Re raised to 0.3. Okay, it is given in the form of Re. Okay, now to identify this coefficient of friction factor, I need to first identify the Reynolds number. Now Re will be equals to, that is Reynolds number Re will be equals to velocity into diameter divided by kinematic viscosity. Then velocity is given 3, diameter is 0.2 divided by kinematic viscosity 0.01 into 10 raised to minus 4. Then Re will be equals to 6 into 10 raised to 5. Okay, now let us substitute this Re value in friction coefficient of friction equation, that is 0.002 in plus 0.09 divided by Re is 6 into 10 raised to 5 divided by 0.3. Okay, then the coefficient of friction is, you will get it, if you simplify this equation, you will get it coefficient of friction as 0.02166. Okay, now let us substitute this all values in a or friction equation, that is coefficient of friction equation. Okay, so let's erase these things. Okay, so we have coefficient of friction, that is HF, head loss due to the friction, is given by 4 into FLV square divided by D into 2G. Now all the terms are known, let us substitute that one. 4 into coefficient of friction factor is identified, that is 0.02166 into L is 5, then V is, velocity is 3, whole divided by diameter, that is 0.2 into 2 into 9.81. G is a gravitational constant. If you simplify that one, the HF value will get it around 0.93 meter of water, because it is a water is flowing through that pipe. So the head loss due to the friction in this state problem by using Chezy-Darcy equation is 0.993 meter of water. Okay, and these questions will be asked for 8 to 10 marks in your university examination.